Hello, I'm Jyoti Kumar and thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to talk to you and tell you something about stall that we have put up at IEW 2026 at Goa, and we feel that uh, we have tried to capture most of the unique selling propositions element of the company, and the company whatever job we are doing, we are showcasing it properly, right from natural gas transmission network that we have today. 65% of the network in the country we are having, owning and operating, and it's a high pressure cross country pipeline, and we are not including the product pipeline as others do that. And in fact, the product, if we take into account product pipeline for the CGD sector, then it will be more than lakhs. So the network that we have showcased here, we have shown how the country has become totally mapped in the natural gas network, and these are all high pressure cross country pipeline network. So this is the showcase, and beautifully we have also explained the regional, regional networks, and we have explained everyone how the network is passing through. There are this company, when it was started with one HBJ pipeline, is having now 16 pipeline in the country, and now today we are having more than 18,000 kilometer of cross-country pipeline, and we are showcasing CBG, CGD synchronization, which is making a significant contribution in the blending of natural gas, CBG into natural gas network. That is also showcased properly. We have a GMPL, PTA plant at Mangalore, and that plant is going to be a mega scale plant, and it is going to cater the requirement of textile industry. It is a paraxylene based, and the process is aromatic. It is not typically olefin, though we have some visibility, very strong visibility in olefin family as well. High density polyethylene, linear low density polyethylene plus PP we are producing. Besides that, this is the PTA plant that we have we are going to start in this calendar year. We are going to start, and this is in Bangalore, right? So again, you may be aware that GAIL is one of the largest portfolio holder of gas sourcing from international market in the form of LNG. So we have showcased beautifully the two section upstream of LNG sourcing and downstream in India, how we are marketing through LNG tanker, SS LNG plus long haul distance vehicle. We are having dispensing units for LNG as well. So this is beautifully executed. And then we are showcasing hydrogen, because we are the one of the very few companies in the country today which is producing hydrogen, green hydrogen in megawatt scale. So per day we have 4.3 ton per day capacity we have for green hydrogen, and that is there in our at our Bijapur plant, which is in the Madhya Pradesh, and it is also PEM proton exchange membrane based electrolyzer process that we have adopted, and this is a very good feeling to say that how we are doing it. And in fact, we have also tried on a pilot basis blending in our network also, pipeline network. So that is how green hydrogen, though the growth is not happening in a big pace in the country, but in years to come we are making ourselves future ready, and therefore this is going to set an example and make us prepared for the future in the hydrogen sector. We have meter prover, which is providing calibration facilities for the natural gas pipeline network, and for different dia, and this is giving you the certificate of how purity of natural gas is there, what could be the kind of pressure that pipeline should sustain, and those things. So So this is a meter proof facility which is available in India, one of its kind, only serviced by GAIL because it is our own facility. Okay, we have two facilities, one in Hazira and another in Dibyapur, which is Dibyapur is in UP and Hazira is in, of course, Gujarat. Then we have since we are the natural gas company and through our system only CNG and CGD entire network is getting propped up. So we have, because we have realized that CNG is the future of the energy, and we recently Bajaj has launched their bike, CNG bikes, and we asked them to do it and showcased how this is going to be, this CNG is going to be very very effective there. 300 kilometer
One go.
in one full tank it is carrying the distance. I mean, it is having the distance covered. Now imagine the kind of not only in terms of fuel efficiency but also in terms of your pocket, it's going to give a big impact.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is how we have tried to make our position clear, and then we have showcased our international foray in the world, different places, USA, Egypt, in Myanmar, China and Singapore business we have explained. Then in petrochemicals, we have created a polymer zone. All the products which are being produced from our product, our high density polyethylene, low density polyethylene grades, these products, if this place, you will be able to understand what type technology and sector it is going to cater. So this is very interesting and very attractive zone that we created with polymer. We have a dome created which speaks about the future of the natural gas and also narrating a story about CNG in Banaras. And this is a unique story because this is first of its kind in India or maybe in the world, that CNG floating stations is created on the river basin at Ganga in Varanasi, and all the boats which are giving support to the tourists over there. And the Banaras is a city of very influential city of Hinduism, and therefore the tourists who are going there, they are also having some pleasure trips on river, and that is it is being done on CNG boats.
Yes.
Now, CNG boats is a living example which is going to set the narrative for the future of the port of fuel industry, and CNG is becoming very very handy. It is helping the aqua life, mitigating the emission of the pollution, and the noise level is also mitigated because of the way CNG is very nicely giving impetus to this boatman in their life in terms of benefits, the price that they have to pay, the cost of selling, the cost they have for CNG. If it is compared to other fuels, it is very very competitive and very beneficial, very much beneficial to the boatmen. So these stories we have taken in this stall, and we have. I hope that you will like it.
Yes.
You yourself you can see how beautifully it has been made.
Thank you.